Good morning, dear students. Today, as Jata here for third standard, we are going to start your subject GK. So, students, open your knowledge grower book. We are going to start our second term syllabus, but before that syllabus, I need to show you syllabus of this term. This is your syllabus in which Unit 8, The World of Sports, Unit 9, Brain Twister, Unit 10, Value of Life, then Being a Good Citizen, page number 51, Quiz Time, page number 53, I Wonder, page number 32-33, and then Chapter 20 from Unit 5, 24 from Unit 6 are also included. Let's start with first chapter of this unit, that is an adventurous sports. What is an adventurous sports? First of all, these are the activities that involve danger or speed, or both are often called adventurous sport. Number of adventurous sports are done in the air and or in the water. Okay. So first of all, as we can see, number of people are running in the water. They are doing swimming. Then, so start read it. This is usually done on rough water. Rough water, you can understand that the water comes very harsh in order to thrill and excite the raft passengers. It became a part of Olympic Games in the 1970s. Which game it is known as? That is water rafting. Then we have, as we can see, a person who is holding a stand and moving in the air, soaring like a hawk, thousands of feet above the ground, using a glider. But the person is using a glider, that is known as hand gliding. In the third image, as we can see, this is a balloon. In shape of balloon, it is moving upper side, that is known as hot air balloon. But if you simply want to enjoy the experience of flying, there is nothing quite like it. It means it's a beautiful experience. It travels as fast as the wind blows. Remind this line becomes in your question, that name that game in which you travel as fast as the wind blows. You need to answer hot air balloon. Many people describe flying in this as one of the most enjoyable activity they have experienced. That is known as hot air balloon. In the last image, you can see that a person who is moving on ice, moving over snow by the use of a pair of long flat runners called skis. This is known as skis, attached to the shoes or boots. So where it is skis attached with the shoes or boots, this is known as ski. Students, we are moving to the next chapter, chapter number 30, sports symbols. In this chapter, as we can see, we have 12 images in which a person is doing different activities. In the first image, we can see person who is playing with the ball, holding a tennis in his hand. So what is this? Tennis. In this, a person is moving in water, that is known as swimming. Here he is using a boat to move in the water, that is boating. This is a symbol of football, so he is playing football. Here he is showing the action of boxing. Gymnastics. A person is holding a weightlifting he is doing. Started to move to the archery. Here he is in the position of wrestling. Now this person shows that playing volleyball. He is holding a hockey in his hand and there is a ball, so he is playing hockey. He is ready with the gun, that is known as shooting. This is all about this lecture. Thank you. Have a good day. So students, these are the question answer of related to the chapter number 29. Name 4 adventurous sports. You can write water rafting, hand gliding, hot air balloon, and skiing. Question might come in your exam like that. It travels as fast as the wind blows. You have to write the name of the adventurous sport that is known as hot air balloon. Which adventurous sport became part of the Olympic Games in the 1970s? That is known as water rafting. Thank you. Have a good day.